What if I told you that nature is constantly running a survival competition, and only the best adapted organisms win? Imagine being born in a world where your traits decide whether you survive or disappear forever. That process is called natural selection. Welcome to MPCB+. Natural selection is the process where organisms with helpful traits are more likely to survive, reproduce, and pass those traits to their offspring. Over time, these beneficial traits become more common in a population. This idea was famously explained by Charles Darwin in the 1800s. Darwin observed species during his voyage on the HMS Beagle. Now, let's look at the four main steps. First, variation. Within every species, individuals are different. Some rabbits may run faster. Some birds may have stronger beaks. Some insects have colors that help them hide. Second, overproduction. Organisms produce more offspring than can survive. For example, a fish may lay thousands of eggs, but only a few reach adulthood. Third, competition. Because resources like food, water, and shelter are limited, organisms must compete to survive. Predators hunt. Animals fight for food. Even plants compete for sunlight in a dense forest canopy. Fourth, survival of the fittest. Fittest doesn't mean strongest, it means best adapted to the specific environment. Those with useful traits survive longer and reproduce more. Their offspring inherit those traits, and over many generations, the population changes. That is, a classic example is the peppered moth in England during the Industrial Revolution. Before pollution, light-colored moths blended with lichen-covered trees and survived. But then, factories darkened the trees with soot. Dark-colored moths became harder for predators to see on the soot-covered bark. As a result, dark moths survived more often. Nature selected the better camouflage. Did you know bacteria can also evolve resistance to antibiotics through this same process? That's why misuse of medicines can create stronger bacteria. Natural selection explains how life adapts and survives in an ever-changing world. From tiny bacteria to giant whales, nature is always selecting. And that's the power of evil. Subscribe to MPCB+ for more amazing science content. Thanks for watching.